So this is incredibly exciting, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but welcome to our moving series. This is episode 1 of a few, so stay tuned for the end for a sneak peek of episode 2, and I hope you enjoy joining us on this journey. Time to clear out part of the closet. I did a little bit of this a couple of days ago, but now I'm hitting the point where I'm re-looking at my closet after a few days, and I'm feeling like some of this stuff can go, some of this stuff can get packed, and by go I mean donated. So here's where we're at. I can't pack away our jerseys yet because we still have a couple of more games. I also need to wash anything that needs to be washed because I don't want to pack anything dirty. So here we are. Let's do it. I have no more clothing to pack because some of the stuff that I was gonna pack either smells like it's been stored for a while and I don't really want to put it in here and have it smell, or is stuff that just needs to go into the wash, or is stuff I need to wear. So I'm just in this position where, do I want to start emptying the bookshelf and putting books into that bin? Maybe bathroom. Maybe we empty the bathroom expired products under the sink, above the sink. Just do the spring winter cleanse pre-pack. So I really just want to pack the boxes, but I don't think I can anymore. I don't think there's anything left to pack. Okay, well, bathroom it is. There are so many little things around this apartment too that the last stage of packing here is gonna take a good chunk of time. I really don't want to sit on the floor of our bathroom just because, roaches, but sometimes you gotta. I'm going to pack up the lower level of the bookshelf because I have this big box here that is only half full. When I was out, I also picked up some cleaning supplies, so I needed these for just general apartment cleaning, and I am also going to put this in the car. Got a Scrub Mommy, which are only $4 at the home store, what's it called? Gosh, Dollarama. And then I got some cheap knockoff magic erasers. Hello vlog! I've been running several loads of laundry, so that has been making very steady progress and then immediately being packed into bins. We're making another order this weekend. I'm making the Amazon order for all the bubble wrap. And now I'm cleaning out other things. I cleaned out some of the drawers in our room, just fully, and then washed all the things that will immediately be packed. And now I'm going through my jewelry containers because for some reason there's just a lot of random pieces of plastic and like containers and bags that I don't use anymore. One of my favorite things to do, of course, in this stage is get rid of all the stuff that you don't want to have to move and then junk and trash once you get there, because then you've wasted all the time making space and moving things that you don't actually want to keep. So that's where we're at in this process. So I've cleared this hallway and I've put all of the bins in this corner. So we have the space back and there's some recycling and other things in front, but this is the best place where it's the least invasive. Something I'll miss about living here is the lighting at this time of day. So it comes in over the tops of the building because I think it's actually reflecting off of something, or no, it's just fully obstructed. Great, so there's nothing hitting anything, but the light goes straight up to the ceiling and illuminates the room without any direct sunlight, and it's awesome. It's busy in here, but beautiful. The bubble wrap, excellent. More traps, also good. And cleaning solution. So this sucks. Not gonna miss this.
We picked a heck of a day to get a storage unit. We tried really hard